Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you some of the functions from AutoCAD to draw those type of picture, and one of the important commands can be used easily to draw this curve in between two circles. So let's start it. So this command we call a circle, tangent, and radius. So this activity is from MEM 300318. So activity 3, so this one here. From the questions, they say R150, R20, R55, R40. We got 4 circles. So if I click on there, this is 1. Click on there is the second one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's incorrect. And also I've got the drawings. You see the difference? It is different shape from the actual you draw. So what I want to do now is I want to show in here. Firstly, I need to draw a center line. Okay, so here, that's a center line. What I'm going to do is change to center line. Center. There's one figure in here. So between these two center points is 75. So you really need to allocate 75 in there. It doesn't really matter where you started. So you can going this way, say 75. This line is 75. Okay, let's go back there to see that. So that's 75. Okay, another center line from here, another center line from there. So what I'm doing now is going to here. I just going there. I don't click on. Start from there and going cross over there. So this one, I want to do the center line, so I use the match property. I just want to copy this line to here, and that's all. 3 center lines has been done. So I delete the middle one. What I'm going to do is drawing the first circle. So this one here is original circle. So this one is joining this circle to the other one. So this one is R40, this one is R20. So that's original circles in here. So this one here is a tangent to there. Tangent. Okay. R20 and R40. So 2 originals. So now in between here is R150. 150 and stay outside. So this one is going curve in. So this one curve out. So 150. Go to the circle. I choose the option 10, and radius. So I tend here anywhere outside, not inside. So anywhere outside, and I go to this way, and then type in 150. And then the next one will be R55 curve in. Same one. I go to 10. I go to 10 here. I don't go into outside. I go inside. 10, 55. So now trim function. So trim, enter. Right, I want to trim this one. I want to trim this one. I want to trim this one. I want to trim all of these. I want to trim all this one and this one. And outside. And little one there. And that's it. So the last step I'm doing is put in the dimension. So I can use radius. So again, so enter, radius, and then enter, radius, and enter again. radius. So that's the one we need to draw. So exactly same as this. The shape, everything the same. Thanks everyone.